Saturday, February 3rd. So remember, we did the red envelopes in December, and from the 1st to the 16th, and everybody shopped as much as they wanted to, one red envelope a day. And then in January, people brought them in and got their surprise discount, whatever it was. And we had everybody put their name on the back of their card and put it in a fishbowl. And we drew today for this really cute prize. And Pat Hough is our winner. And she's going to take home this really cute knitting bag, very colorful. There's a zip pocket on the back, has a big button on the front. It has a zip pocket on the inside. Very cute, and it zips on the top. So, way to go, Pat Hough. Congratulations. I think it was successful. It was fun. People remembered to bring theirs in. It was all good. So there you go, Pat. One new knitting bag. I'm sure you need it. All right, we have some new kits. These are from Beet Street Yarn. They deal with hemp, like a linen, right? And they put together these adorable kits. These are called Kaycha kits, and they are hemp therapy cloth kits. So one kit makes 3 therapy cloths, and they're sort of like a hand towel washcloth. One skein of Looms Piega will get this luxurious therapeutic face and body cloth. Enjoy this quick knit and delight in the gentle sloughing action produced from diagonal garter stitch cloth. So you have 3 different colors. It makes 1 for each cloth, so you get 3 different cloths, and it includes the pattern. So how fun is that? Makes a great gift or something small if you need a travel project, right? These are $26.95 a piece, and I have 3 different colorways. So this one is like charcoal red and that creamy beige. This one is kind of a navy blue, a pretty denim blue, and a gold. Nice. This one is a gray, a blue, and a cream. This one is an dark olive, a medium, and then the blue denim, like that. And this one's all neutrals, sort of taupe and a gray and a toasty color. So there you go. The Kaycha kit, $26.95. Great little quick knit, simple. So if you've got a traveling project that you need in the next couple weeks, come in. We've got it for you, right? Okay, beautiful day today. No complaints. We had a nice crowd for social knitting this afternoon. It's always good to have people hang out and get to see them and visit. It's always good. It's always good to have my little knitting community all around. It's wonderful. So, all right, Pat, congratulations on your bag, and we will hold it behind the counter for you. So y'all have a wonderful rest of the weekend, a lovely, peaceful, prayerful, contemplative Sunday. Maybe you can accomplish something, get something done. It'll be good. If not, rest. Is there football? No, I don't think so. Super Bowl's next weekend, right? All right, that's it. I will see you on Monday.